Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, student. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Our today's topic is healthy food. Food is very important in our daily life. We can't live without eating food for a single day. Healthy food is very necessary for our body. Healthy food contains all the elements that our body needs, like vitamins, protein, fats, carbohydrates, etc. Healthy food gives us strength and energy for work, play, and think. Proteins help in repairing broken and dead cells. Carbohydrates give energy for daily works. Vitamins strengthen our bones and keep us away from the diseases. So, student, healthy food is very important for our body. We should stay away from the fried oil or junk food. We should eat healthy diet that keep our body and mind healthy. Student, we will write essay on healthy food in our fair copy. For fair copy, you have to need your grammar fair copy and check your pencil. First, you have to maintain today's page. Make margin line both sides and mention today's date. Topic: healthy food. Food is very important in our daily life. We can't live without eating food for a single day. Healthy food is very necessary for our body. Healthy food contains all the elements that our body needs, like vitamins, proteins, fats, carbohydrates, etc. Healthy food gives us strength and energy for work, play, and think. Proteins help in repairing broken and dead cells. Carbohydrates give energy for daily works. Vitamins strengthen our bones and keep us away from the diseases. We should stay away from the fried oil and junk food. We should eat healthy diet that keeps our body and mind healthy. So student, here today's homework is that you have to complete this work and write about your healthy diet. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.